How to permanently delete your email account from your Outlook app. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so let's start with the video. Before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video, guys. So come to the Outlook, just open your Outlook, and here you can see I am using more than one email ID. I am using the 3 email ID here. So I want to, if I want to delete the one email ID permanently, so I can easily delete. So what you need to do, just come to the file option, and under the file option just go to the account, go to the account setting. Under the account setting you can see the emails. So emails account, okay, so this is basically your email account. You can add and remove the account, you can select the account and change the setting. So you can see I have 3 account here. This is my primary account. You can't delete your primary account. If you want to delete primary account, you have to change first primary account, and now you can delete. But if you have only one email ID, you can delete. But if you have multiple email ID, you can select the email ID which you want to delete and just click on remove. After you remove, this account will be completely deleted from your Outlook, and data also will be deleted from Outlook. If you want to get the backup of this email account as a PST format, you can get from backup. So you can check my another video in description. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.